Welcome guys, welcome to Complete Java for Automation Testers tutorial. This is Rahul Shetty. So as I said, the only course you will find on internet which teaches every topic needed to emerge as a strong Java automation tester. Okay, so we have covered each and every topic of core Java with detailed explanation. Okay, so that will really help you to develop and lead your own Java automation projects. Okay, so basically, so all the core Java concepts explained are from scratch level. Okay, we do not assume that our students have any prerequisite knowledge. Okay, so we assume that all our students are from non-coding background and we teach each and every core Java concept from scratch level and also supported by an example which we use in real time. Okay, so that's why we always says that we will not stick to only theories. Okay, I am not going to show any PPTs in my course. It's all a practical work. Okay, so when you just Google or when you go out other bunch of courses in the market and when you try to learn one new concept, maybe inheritance, polymorphism, okay, you just see three lines of definition followed by example. That's all. Okay, but here we will understand why we are using that OOPS concept in Java. Okay, where exactly it is required, in what scenario you have to use and in what scenario you should not use, and also the proper programming examples showing that particular OOPS concept in real-time usage. Okay, so in that way our course will drive through the real-time projects, right? It's not about just today we will be talking about inheritance and throwing some definition out of it. It's all about practical learning. So that is why, and that's a unique thing in the course which we actually showcases on the practical work. Okay, and also when you come to Java collections, core Java is one of the heart in our course because that's definitely required for you to start your basics and to develop an automation frameworks in your workplace. And also Java collections is one more core part. Okay, so even here we have taken utmost care in providing all the necessary practical scenarios for each Java collection we discuss. Okay, so Java collections is a little tricky part and it's little tricky to understand as well. So here I have done my best in teaching it in very simple manner to make sure you are very clear with that collection concept and you are very well know that where to use that. Okay, so in this way the topics what we learned are from completely scratch level. So whenever I start a new topic I will not at all assume that this topic maybe students are already aware. Okay, so if you see my preview videos you will understand on that. Okay, so this course is really challenge for me to create. So because Java is some programming language and if you want to teach it to the complete beginners there should be a lot of homework in the backend. So I have taken utmost care in designing the videos to specific beginners and to specifically non-coding background, and I have achieved 100% success results. Like the people who watch this course are able to perform their Java automation work, or they are able to get into the Java projects even in the development. Okay, so that's power this course provides you. And at the end, worth to mention, tricky Java programs. Okay, so you have a programs like print out prime number, Fibonacci series, pyramid, and sort out print in the descending order. Okay, so in array matrix print the maximum column number. So there are a lot of Java programs, right, which really tests your brain. Okay, so these Java programs with the detailed solutions are provided in this course. It's just not only writing a typical code on the editor. I will tell you how to approach that logic. Okay, when one program is given, how to think the logic, what are the strategies, tips you need to use to approach and design a logic for that program. So in that level, my teaching will help you to think beyond the boundaries and get done the logic what you need to write a tricky Java programs. And programs which I discussed in the course are from commonly asked interview questions in any company. Okay, if someone want to ask you a Java program, there will be definitely a set of questions are there in the market. So I have covered my best in covering those set of interview questions and with detailed solutions and the methodology to approach that logic. So I'm pretty sure that you can cover and clear any programming interview if you go through this course completely. And also I can give you access to more than 200 plus core Java interview questions. All right. So this particular course is only and main focused on core Java. We are not dealing with swings, buttons, which is out of scope for Java learning in this particular course. So here we will be learning core Java, collections, and which are more than enough for you to start and develop a Java project. And maybe you are in Selenium, web automation, Appium mobile automation, or REST API services automation, whichever field you are put in, with the knowledge you gained from this tutorial will help you to start the testing right away in your automation projects. Okay, so that's all I can say. I hope you guys have identified the unique thing which makes this course on top in the market. So as I said, no theories, learn everything practically from scratch level. Okay, and also learn the strategies and develop the logic ability to write a tricky Java programs when you are given anything out in the market. All right, so that's pretty much I want to tell before we get started in this tutorial. So let's begin with our proceedings in the next lecture, and thank you. Wish you all the best in your first programming learning. Trust me, I'll help you to kickstart your Java. Thank you.